Dear students, good morning to all. In the last session, we saw referring to time. Third type, we saw as soon as or when type. Then second one we saw after type. I want to explain once again that recall that sentence. After Ravi had written the letter, he posted it. This sentence is in complex form. See this here after, then here Ravi subject had written verb. That is had written what tense? Past perfect tense. Had written the letter, he posted it. Here in the main class he posted, that is in past tense, verb 2. So here this one, after Ravi had written the letter, this is subordinate class. He posted it main class. So here we are changing into compound sentence. Already I told you, after the present means we have to, both sentences that are in past form, we have to find out which took place earlier. Here, that is had written the letter. First one, he wrote the letter and then he posted it. This is second incident. So for first incident, we have to write with past perfect tense. Second one, we have to use simple past tense. Now come to compound sentence. Compound sentences means what? Two simple sentences or two main classes are joined by conjunction word, coordinating conjunction. So for that we never write with the same past perfect tense. So we have to change it with simple past tense. Here whatever tense given, we have to change it. Here past tense. Had written, had, that is the past perfect tense. Written, that is verb 3. Past participle, right, wrote, written. So here what is the past form? Wrote. So write down here, wrote, remove had. Ravi wrote the letter, conjunction word for after type, and then he posted it. Write down main class. This is compound. Ravi wrote the letter and then he posted it. Compound. We'll write in simple sentence. First write down after. Afterwards write down ing form. Here written, that is main verb only we have to add ing here. So written here write, verb 1, add ing, writing. After writing the letter, now here he refers to whom? Ravi. So bring this noun here. Instead of pronoun he, write down Ravi. Ravi posted it. This is simple sentence. Or you can write with another form, having. Here had, present form have. Had, present form have. Add ing, have. If we use having means we have to write past participle. That is the third form as such. Having written the letter, Ravi posted it. This is also simple sentence. So we can write either in manner. So either in after plus ing or having plus verb 3. Anyone you can write. This one very easy because had that comes means always ing form having only. After having we should write verb 3, past participle. Already here given because had after verb 3 only given. So write down as such. Having written the letter, Ravi posted it. Or after then ing form. After writing the letter, Ravi posted it. Either anyone you can write. Okay, this one after type. Now come to before type. That also very easy. Before I go to bed, I say my prayer. This one complex because before plus subject here. Before after subject verb that comes means that is in complex form. Now change it in compound sentence. The same that is a conjunction word under only, but according to the sentence meaning of the sentence we have to interchange this sentence. Because here see this, before I go to bed, I say my prayer. Which incident that is takes place earlier means saying prayer. Under only that is I go to bed. So bring at first the second main class at first. I say my prayer, then write down conjunction word and then I go to bed. So here we are changing from complex to compound. We have to remove before, subordinating conjunction word. So I say my prayer. While writing this type only, we have to bring main class at first. I say my prayer and then I go to bed. That is compound form. While writing simple sentence, before, write down here ing form, go plus ing, going. Before going to bed, I say my prayer. So for compound sentence only, we have to change here. Bring main class at first. You understand? So this is before type. They are referring to type, three types. as soon as or when, first one. Second, after type. Third one, before type. Once again I repeat you. Before I go to bed, I say my prayer. This one, complex. Here also you should note down. Before here for complex and the simple, both before comes, but we have to identify after before subject and verb that will come. That comes means that is in complex form. Then before plus ing means that is simple sentence. Here also after plus ing means simple. After plus subject verb means that is in complex form. So before I go to bed, I say my prayer. That is in complex. While changing into compound sentence, first you write down this one, this incident. I say my prayer and then I go to bed. Simple sentence. Before going to bed, I say my prayer. So that is in simple form. Dear students, let's see next type. Type 4, to type. To type. TWO, The coffee is too hot for me. Too means very. So to, then to type. For complex, so, that, cannot or could not. For present form, cannot. For past tense, you have to use could not. For compound sentence, instead of so, write down very. Instead of that, and so or and, then cannot or could not. The same. For simple sentence, instead of so, very, write down to. That's this keywords you have to keep it in your mind. For complex, so, that, cannot or could not. For compound, very, and so, or and, cannot or could not. For simple, to. We come to example. Here also two, there is a types. Here two types means the basis of subjective we have to classify that. First one, if the subjects are same. Here see the sentence. Lakshmi is so weak that she cannot walk fast. Here she refers to whom? Lakshmi. So here the person's same means. The subject means, do you have the action that comes at first? So that one same means we have to use this type. Lakshmi is so weak that she cannot walk fast. That is in complex because the keyword present so, that, cannot or could not. Here cannot. Here how we use this cannot, can or could means, here see this verb is, am, or. That present means we have to use can, present form. Is, am, or. That means can, was or were, past form. For that we have to use could not. You understand? For is, am, or. These are called B forms. Is, am, or present form. For that we have to use cannot, was or were. That means could not. So here is present. So here we have used cannot. Next come to compound sentence, very easy. Instead of so, write down very. Instead of that, write down and so. Conjunction word. Lakshmi is very weak and so, write down main class assets. She cannot walk fast. This is compound sentence. Because of the presence of very and so means that is compound form. Next is simple sentence. Lakshmi is first write down subject verb and then write down to. Lakshmi is too weak to. Afterwards, after this adjective word. Weak, this is adjective word. After this write down to. After to, we should write verb 1. Further, they come to main class. She cannot walk fast. It is same complex and compound. That is the same only. Cannot. So after not, this one only verb 1. This one auxiliary verb models can. So after that cannot. After that verb 1 will come. So here we have to write verb 1 after 2. So this one no need to write subject auxiliary verb. You understand? So write down verb 1 after 2. To walk fast. Write down remaining. So this one we listen again. Lakshmi is instead of very write down to be. Afterwards write down to. Then write down verb 1. Verb 1 after cannot. Cannot or could not. We can there is a find out. This is verb 1. Write down that one. So to walk fast. Remaining words write down. This is simple sentence. We have to see with another example. Ramu is so poor that he cannot buy a bicycle. Complex because so that present cannot. So this is in complex. We have to change with compound sentence. Ramu is instead of so write down very poor and so he cannot buy a bicycle. Instead of that, write down and so. For simple sentence, Ramu is too poor, adjective word poor, too. Afterwards, write down verb 1. Here after not, verb 1 present, write down to buy a bicycle. This is in simple. I repeat once again, Ramu is so poor that he cannot buy a bicycle. That is in complex form. When changing into compound, Ramu is very poor and so he cannot buy a bicycle. Simple sentence, Ramu is too poor to buy a bicycle. Now also you should note down, in the simple sentence, cannot, that's not present, not negative form. Here see this, cannot, could not, here also cannot, could not, that present in complex and compound only. For simple 2 only. So no need to mention not. After 2 write down verb 1. Ramu is too poor to buy a bicycle. This is simple sentence. You understand? Let's see with another example. I was too tired to walk. So here see this word too. So the sentence is in simple. Simple sentence. Now we have to change it with complex. So for this, first of all, we have to remove too. First write down complex means so that, cannot or could not. So write down first subject I, write down verb I was, for complex so. I was so tired. Afterwards write down that. I was so tired that. Next write down subject. Here what is subject here? I. So write down again I. Then we have to write with cannot or could not. So for that is see tense form here after subject. This is verb was. What tense? Past form. Past was or where means we have to use could not. So write down could not. That I could not walk. This is complex. So underline keyword so that could not here. Then writing compound sentence very easy. Write down I was. Instead of so write down very tired. Instead of that write down and so. And so I could not walk. This one compound sentence. You understand? So writing this to type means that is simple sentence. When writing complex or compound sentence, after writing this word you have to write subject. Afterwards selecting can or could. For that we have to see verb here. Present form is, am, or. That means we have to use here cannot. Was, where. Past form means we have to write with could not. That's all. Come to the sentence. Rajesh is too dull to understand the concept. Here underline too. What type? What sentence? Simple sentence. Now we have to change it in complex. Complex means the keyword so that, cannot or could not. So now remove this word too. Write down Rajesh is so dull. Then write down conjunction word that. So dull that. Here again we have to write a subject there. For that Rajesh boy. So write down he. Pronoun. That he. Here understand the concept. Afterwards we have to write it cannot or could not. So for that as I already told you. Here see verb is. What tense? Present form. So write down cannot. Here see this. Is, am, or. That means cannot. Was, where means could not. So here is present. So write down cannot. That he cannot. Write down remaining. Understand the concept. This one complex. You underline keywords so that cannot. Then changing compound sentence very easy. Rajesh is very dull and so he cannot understand the concept. Rajesh is very dull and so he cannot understand the concept. This is compound. I hope you all understood clearly. Simply how to remember in your mind is very important type, to type. So keywords you don't change. Here so, you don't write and so here. So that. So that cannot or could not. For compound very and so or and cannot or could not. For simple to. So that is the complex to compound very easy in all the types. If you are asked to change from simple to complex compound only, you have to keep it in your mind what are the changes, what are the keywords, what tense present, so everything you should know clearly. So here I was too tired to walk here, verb is am or present means you have to write down here cannot. Was were means you have to write with could not. That's all. Before after writing this conjunction word you have to write down subject already given. Whatever given means pronoun means you can write as such. Or name given means boy's name means you have to write boy name he, girl means she, like that write down. Here plural form comes means you have to write here they. So according to the subject you have to write again here after conjunction words. That's all. Dear students, we saw previously to type. If the subjects are same, if the subjects are same means we use that. Previously I have done simply one thing. In simple sentence you have to write for plus object at the middle. So that's the only difference. Here see this sum is so difficult that he cannot do it. This is complex. So how you can identify means here see this is not person here. The coffee, this sum, not person, for that easily we can identify. So here this sum, this is subject. Here in this sentence after that, this is conjunction word. After that he, this is subject here. The subject here this sum, here he. If the subjects are different means we have to apply, we have to use this type. So for complex same keywords only. So that cannot or could not. For compound very and so cannot or could not. For simple only. That is the subjects are same means we use to. Here different means at the middle we have to use for object. That is I will teach you here. Now listen. Here this one complex. So that cannot. This is complex sentence. Now we have to change it in compound. This sum is for compound very and so. So write down very. Instead of so write down very. Difficult. This is adjective word. Difficult. Instead of that, write down and so. And so, write down remaining. He cannot do it. This one compound sentence. You understand? Here this sum is very difficult and so he cannot do it. Write in simple sentence. This sum is what we have to write too difficult. Too difficult. That is the previous type we use too difficult after two. Two plus verb one do. But here subject if we write like that means here he, that is subject here, that is not mentioned in this sentence. For that only subjects are different means we have to use for. So after this adjective word we have to write for. For whom? For him. Write down object word. He object him. I object me. You object you. He, him, she, her, it, we object us. They object them. This one keep it in your mind. When writing object form, here what comes here? He. So he object him. For him. Then afterwards I down to. After to we have to write here verb one do. So I down do. No need to write it. This one simple sentence. Here underline. Whatever changes we have made means underline that words, keywords. So this sum is too difficult for him to do. That's all. So for here subject he means I don't him. Remaining I have written he means him, she, her, it, we, us, they, them. I means me, you means you object. Then afterwards I don't to, then verb one write down. Suppose here name given means instead of he. Ram cannot do it means for Ram. Write down name assets for Ram to do. That's all. Here see the sentence. The coffee is too hot for me to drink. So first underline keywords too, for me, to. So for that comes means you have to understand the subjects are different. So first we have to remove these keywords to, then for means to. Here means object. We have to write with subject there. What is subject from me? For me, I. So now change it in complex. The coffee is so hot that. Here what is the subject here? I. Me means subject, write down I. So for simple sentence only write down object form. For complex and compound write down subject. So here write down I. Here this one object, me means subject I. Then next write down tense. You see here is present form. So write down cannot. That I cannot drink it. For simple, no need to write it. But here that I cannot drink. Drink what? Coffee. So write down object it. I cannot drink it. The coffee is so hot that I cannot drink it. This one complex. Compound very easy. Say all of you. The coffee is very hot. Instead of that write down and so. That write down and so. Write down remaining. I cannot drink it. This one compound. You understand clearly all of you? I repeat once again. Here the subjects are different means for a simple sentence only we have to write for plus object at the middle. Then remaining as such only. So before going to write the answer, you have to note down whether the subjects are same or different. So here this sum, this one here he, that separately, that is a different means you have to follow this one complex and compound the same only. This sum is very difficult and so he cannot do it. Compound simple sentence, this sum is too difficult for him. He into him to do. To if you write means no need to mention object form. Then this one, the coffee is too hot for me to drink. Simple. Complex, the coffee is instead of to write down so. So hot that here me object write down subject I. Here cannot or could not for writing. That you have to note down tense form here. Is means write down cannot. That I cannot drink it. Complex, compound. The coffee is very hot and so I cannot drink it. You understand? Dear students, this one fifth type referring to condition. Here two types of condition. If plus unless type. If type or unless type. So before going to see if type, we should know the three format of if plus. That is if that when how it comes like that in sentence. That is how the tense changes. Like that we have to say. This is very important that to be asked in spot the error also. So you should know these three formats. In if plus, see this first sentence. I am going to read three sentences. You should notice what is the difference among these three sentences. Just listen to me carefully. First one, if you work hard, you will score more marks. You will score or you can. Anyone will come. Will, can or may. Present form. Models. So you will score more marks. See in second sentence, if you worked hard, you would score more marks. See this third sentence, if you had worked hard, you would have scored more marks. So on seeing the sentences, you can easily identify the difference. So just listen to me. First sentence, if you work hard. This one, you subject, work verb, work what tense? Simple present tense. So this one verb 1. Come to this suppose. That is here near this if, that is a conditional word if plus. If that word near that, if it's what? Subordinating conjunction. After that, subject will come afterwards verb. That verb is in present form means here in the main class we have to write with simple future tense. So here will. After will you have to write verb 1. You will score more marks. Here is simply you have to notice will or can or may. Anyone will come here. So here that is after will, can, may, write on verb 1 only. So see, this is first format. When if class, first verb is in present, simple present means in main class you have to write with simple future tense. If you work hard, you will score more marks. Then say second one, if you worked hard, what's the difference here? Here simple present form. Here in past form given, work past tense, worked. Worked hard, that means, you will, past form, would. You have to write with same tense only. Present means future tense. Here past tense means past form of will. Will past form would. Afterwards write on verb 1 only. You would score more marks. Here you don't change score into scored past tense. Because nearby this one also past, that is past form. That also not past form, that come after models. After model auxiliary verbs, we should use verb 1 only. So you would score more marks. So simple difference. Present means you have to write with future tense in main class. Here past tense that comes means you have to write with past form of here. Will means would. Can means could. Will means would. Can, could. May past form might. So here will. So I don't would. You would score more marks. Third type, if you had worked hard. Had worked hard, past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, had. Then worked, this is past participle, verb 3. Worked. So if you had worked, past perfect tense means in the main class you have to write would have plus verb 3. Would have scored more marks. Would have or could have or might. Anyone you can write. Afterwards have plus verb 3. So listen once again. If you had worked hard, you would have scored more marks. Would have or could have. After have, you should write verb 3, past participle. This is very, very important. In the spot error, that will be asked. How they will ask means, here they will give if you worked. Here in this main class they will give will score. So you should notice what and find out here. Worked past tense means here we have to replace will with the would. Sometimes they have given work. Here they will give would score like that. Here present means you have to write will. So like that you have to change. Sometimes they will give if you worked hard. Backside you would have scored. Like that they have given means you have to see notice any one side. One side only, that is error. That is a mistake. Mistakenly that word given tense. So you have to identify with another format. Suppose here mistake means you have to see refer main class. Suppose here mistake means you have to refer here subordinate class what tense. According to that tense you have to change. Correct that. So here suppose worked given means here they would have scored means you have to note down. Would have scored. Here the 3 verbs 1, 2, 3. 3 verbs means here you have to write with 2 verbs. So here had worked, past perfect. Simply past form of your future perfect. Means you have to write with here had plus verb 3, past perfect. So just keep it in your mind. 3 forms, simple sentence only. So if you keep this in this sentence in your mind means remaining sentences you can follow easily. So on keeping this sentence in your mind, whatever changes we can easily make. That is make that sentence correctly. Any other sentence given means. So once again I read this sentence. If you work hard, you will score more marks. Present means future tense. Next, if you work hard, you will score more marks. Past tense means past form of will, would score more marks. Next one, if you had worked hard, you would have scored more marks. Here past perfect means here future perfect, past form of future perfect. Will have scored, that is future perfect. Here will past form would, so would have scored more marks. You understand? Dear students, now we have to see fifth type referring to condition. Here already I told you if or unless type. If means positive, unless means negative. I am going to say one example. If you work hard, you will score more marks. That is positive manner. If you work hard, you will score more marks. That is positive. What is the condition? You should work hard. What is the result? You will score more marks. Then in unless type, listen to me carefully. unless you work hard, you will not score more marks. Will not score more marks. So unless is a negative sense. Unless means we have to write with negative form. Unless you work hard, you will not score more marks. If you work hard, you will score more marks. That's the main difference. If means positive, unless means negative. So here see this. In this condition type also two, if or unless. First one, if type. For that complex, if, compounded, and then only, conjunction word, and then only, or and. That one should, that is the one thing you should notice. Here and then means that is the after type. After type, conjunction word and then. Here and then only, or and. You can write anyone. That means the compound sentence. For a simple sentence, in the event of, or in case of, anyone you can write, in the event of or in case of. Now listen, if you read these instructions, you will understand clearly. If you read these instructions carefully. So like that here say, if that means present means, that sentence is in complex. So what is the here condition? Reading that instruction. So if you read this instruction, this is condition. What is the result of the condition? You will understand everything clearly. So that is the result. So here that is in complex form. When writing compound sentence, you can write two forms, two sentences. Which one you understand clearly, you can use it. You can write. Here this one first write on subject. We have to remove this word if. Write on subjective you. Afterwards you can write must or should. Because this is condition. You must read these instructions. And then only you will understand clearly. So write down you must read these instructions. And then only or and you will understand clearly. That is compound. Or you can write simply begin with verb 1. Read. No need to write subject there. Here begin with verb 1. Read these instructions and you will understand clearly. So that is in compound. Simple sentence. In the event of or in case of anyone. In the event of ing form written here. What is verb read? Ing form reading. In the event of reading these instructions, you will understand clearly. That is a simple sentence. You understand? Now, that is again we have to see with another example. If you walk fast, you can catch the bus. So what is the condition here? Walk fast. What is the result? You can catch the bus. So that is in complex. Because of the presence of if, that word subordinating conjunction, that sentence is in complex form. Now we have to change it with compound means. First we can write either way. So this one begin with main verb. Walk fast and you can catch the bus. Here and conjunction word coordinating conjunction. So here that is in compound. Or you can write you must walk fast or you should walk fast and then only you can catch the bus. And you can catch the bus you can write. This one simple in case of or in the event of. In case of ing form walk ing walking. In case of walking fast you can catch the bus. This is simple sentence. You understand? So if class for that complex keyword if. For compound and also you should notice here if that comes means present means verb 1 means here will or can or may that comes and also that you should note down. Next one compound means you must. If you begin with the subject means either must or should. Afterwards write down that verb read. You must read these instructions and then only or and anyone you can write. And then only you will understand clearly. That is compound. Here you can begin with main verb also. Read these instructions and you will understand clearly. So here simple in the event of. Afterwards write down ing form. In the event of reading these instructions, you will understand clearly. So keyword for if type complex if. Compound must plus verb 1. Conjunction word and then only or and. For simple, in the event of or in case of ing form or noun form. As already we have discussed in all the types, I have written the format, but here you have to understand yourself. because they can easily identify. Keyword here if, complex and compound. Simple in case of or in the event of ing form or noun form. You can write. You understand? Dear students, last we have seen if type. Here unless. Unless type for complex. Unless plus subject or subject after verb. Unless plus subject plus verb, then main class. For compound, first write down subject verb. Remove unless, so write down first subject verb. Conjunction word or otherwise or else plus main class. Three words anyone you can use. Or otherwise or else plus main class. For simple, in the event of or in case of. In if type also the same keywords only. For simple, in the event of or in case of. But only main difference not present here. For unless, because already I told you if positive, unless negative sense. So for that we have to write with not plus ing form. In if type, in the event of or in case of plus ing form or noun form. Here in unless type, in the event of or in case of plus not plus ing form. Verb 1 plus ing. See this example. Unless you work hard, you will not get success. That is complex. Because of the presence of this keyword unless. Here unless you work hard, negative. Unless you work hard, you will not get success. Here unless that person means, here we have to write with not, negative word. Or negative word we have to. Not person means that is negative word everyone present there. So we will not get success. That is complex. While writing in the compound sentence, write first begin with work hard. Or you can write you must work hard, like if type you must work hard or you should work hard. Or simply you can begin with verb 1. Work hard, conjunction word or you will not get success. In 3 sentences, main class remains unchanged. So here or you will not get success, that is compound. Simple sentence write down in the event of. Afterwards write down possessive noun or you can't write anyone. You can write or simply you can leave this possessive noun. Write down not plus ing form. Ing here work, ing working. So here you have to write here in the event of your, or you can simply leave this word not working hard. You will not get success. This is simple sentence. You understand? Once again I repeat you. Unless you work hard, you will not get success. That is in complex. We will write in compound sentence. Write down first work hard. Begin with main verb work hard. Or write down here conjunction word or otherwise anyone you can write. Or you will not get success. Compound. Simple in the event of not working hard. Or in the event of you are not working hard, you will not get success. That is simple. That is, we can see another example. You consult a doctor, otherwise you cannot recover. Here see this otherwise, negative word. There is conjunction word here, coordinating conjunction otherwise. That shows negative sense for that, here not present. You cannot recover. So by seeing this keyword, that is conjunction word, we can identify whether this type is a positive or negative. Here otherwise person means we have to begin with unless. So write down unless, afterwards write down subject you. Unless you consult a doctor, you cannot recover. Now also one more thing you should notice here. Can, will, may present means here you have to write with simple present tense. Here consult. Suppose. Here can, could not recover. Past tense present means you have to write here consulted. Past tense. And also one more thing, here subject instead of you, he or she. Present here means for present tense you have to add yes to the verb. Unless he consults a doctor. So see subject also, pronoun also. Here this one second person. So for this no need to add yes to the verb. Because here can, that is a future form, not future, that is here model auxiliary verb can, will, may. The present means you have to write it present form. Present tense means you have to notice whether the subject is in first person, second person or in third person. First person, second person means no need to add yes. But third person singular, he, she, it. That means you have to add yes to the verb. Here second person only. So unless you consult a doctor, you cannot recover. That is complex. Writing is simple. In the event of, then write of not. That is very important. Unless type means you have to write it not. In the event of not, then ing form consulting a doctor, you cannot recover. That is in main class. In 3 sentences in main class, it does not change. So keep it in your mind. You understand all of you? So in this previous session, we have seen all this type clearly. All those things first starting onwards. Till now, referring to condition, all the types explained. Okay, just how to take the notes in your grammar board. Write neatly all the types with the keywords. However, I have written on the board, you have to take down notes for